Hello guys, I hope you're doing okay, and today I'm gonna show you how to buy or sell or even swap CARTESI token. So first of all, you're just gonna need a MetaMask account. If you don't have one, you'll find down below on our channel how to create a MetaMask account. So let's say you already have your MetaMask account. All you need to do is just come at CoinMarketCap website, then go to the search button and type CARTESI. CARTESI. After that, you select this first one, then come here, then this is gonna appear to you. Come at more, press at more, then press at this icon. This icon will copy the address of the CARTESI token on the Binance Smart Chain network. Make sure to copy it on the Binance Smart Chain network. After that, you will go to the Pancakeswap website, then you hover this trade section, press swap, then just simply connect your wallet by pressing here at connect wallet. Choose MetaMask. For me, it's connected directly because I already connect my wallet here once, but for you, if it's your first time, you will just need to press another next and another connects. So after you connect your wallet, you'll just go here to Cake, then paste the address that you copied from the CoinMarketCap, and if you see this active, that means the token is already added to the Pancakeswap. All you need to do now is just press X, then go to the Cake again, then type just the name of the token. So it's gonna be CARTESI. So here is the token. You're just gonna choose it, and you're just gonna enter the amount of BNB that you want to swap into this token. So let's say, for example, you have 1 BNB. They will show you here the amount of the CARTESI token that you are going to get from 1 BNB. Or maybe you have just 0.1. They will give you 110 CARTESI token. So all you need to do then is just press here a simple swap and you will be all done by now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and a comment down below, and do not forget or hesitate to subscribe.